little.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Sofiyyah Dr Khafiz. My matrix number is E20A0457 and welcome to my presentation on Papilio demoleus life cycle. For this lab, which is the life cycle of an insect, I chose Papilio demoleus, or we call them as lime butterfly, as my subject. Then, this butterfly also known as lemon butterfly, lime swallowtail, checkered swallowtail, and unlike most swallowtail butterflies, they does not have any prominent tails. This Papilio demoleus is in the family of swallowtail, but then they does not have any prominent tail, and they can be categorized as a pest and an invasive species, but then they usually considered as a minor pest on the lime tree, any citrus tree like lime tree, lemon tree. Okay, moving on. So here we can see three types of butterfly, which is Papilio demoleus, Papilio morondavana, and Papilio grossesmithii. And as you can see, Papilio morondavana and Papilio grossesmithii have a prominent tail, while Papilio demoleus doesn't have the tail, and that's why we call them. We said that they does not have any prominent tail, even though they are from the swallowtail family. Alright, so now is the scientific classification or taxonomy. So they are from the kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Lepidoptera, family Papilionidae, and genus Papilio. So the species will be Papilio demoleus, and the binomial name is Papilio demoleus. You can see here the pattern for the underside and the upper side of this butterfly is different. Okay, so butterfly, we all know that butterfly undergo holometabolous metamorphosis, which is a complete life cycle that have 4 life stages of life cycle. And this Papilio demoleus undergo holometabolous metamorphosis, and they undergo 4 life stages, which is from egg, larva, pupa or chrysalis or cocoon, we call them, and lastly as adult or imago. You can see from the picture, it's from egg, larvae, chrysalis, and then adult or imago. Alright, so I got the eggs from Shopee, which they are selling butterfly pupae actually, but then negotiation were made with the seller, and then I told the seller that I wanted to observe from egg, so I can see with my own eyes I can observe with my own eyes how the life stages going on from egg, larvae, pupae to adult. Okay, next, pattern of oviposition. Female lime butterfly will lay eggs singly on young lime leaf, any citrus leaf. It can be either on the leaf or at the side of the leaves, or maybe as the surface of twigs on lime host plant or any citrus plant. And due to the tropical climate of Malaysia, the time for embryo development is very short, which is 3 to 4 days. Okay, so now moving on to the eye spots. So these eye spots can be found both on caterpillar and the butterfly, which is the larval stage and the butterfly stage. You can see on the caterpillar in its 5th instar. And these eye spots will serve as a mimicry, where these eye spots will look into the other animal eyes, and these fake eye spots also will be tricking potential predators by drawing their attention away or appear as a dangerous animal. Moving on to the pattern of upper side of wings, there are 3 labeled points, which A, B, and C. So the A is dorsal side of wings are brownish black in color with a chain of irregular light yellow spots along the discal, which is red, submarginal, which is the green, and marginal, which is blue regions. And B, hindwing has a black costal eye spot near apex that gradually spreads over the blue scale shaped as a crescent. C see in space 1B on the dorsal hindwing, there is a red tornal spot for both sexes. So we can differentiate their sexes, their genders with these red tornal spots. Different genders usually have distinctly dissimilar color composition. Okay, next, the underside of wings or ventral side of wings. So there are 4 labeled points, which A, B, C, and D. Right, so A, ventral side of wings are brownish black, which is the forewing, and yellow on the hindwing, with a chain of irregular light yellow spots along the discal, red submarginal, which is green, and marginal, which is blue regions. B, a series of dull yellow spots are located on the subapical just below the apex of the forewing. And C, the underside of the hindwing has a series of elongated central postdiscal orange spots each with iridescent blue and black. And lastly, the label D, costal spot near apex is orange, each with blue and black. So now I will explain to you how to differentiate their gender. So the gender differentiation for the first one is tornal spot pattern, which we can see, I just said earlier about the tornal spot pattern, right? The red tornal spot. For the male, the tornal spot on upper side hindwing is mostly orange with little blue scale, while for the females, tornal spot on upper side hindwing is partially orange with more blue scales. Okay, so for the second way to differentiate their gender is by their ventral hindwings. Males underside of hindwing are light yellow in discal and submarginal region, while for the females underside of hindwing is dull yellow in the discal and submarginal region. This is because male wings tends to be more attractful because they will attract the females during the mating season. And lastly, for the gender differentiation is by their shape of terminal abdomen segment. So for the male tends to have sharper abdomen shape, while female tends to have round abdomen shape. Okay, so now we are going to see the life stages of the Papilio demoleus from egg to adult, and I will try to explain during the video for extra information. Okay, enjoy. Alright, now that you have watched the life cycle of Papilio demoleus, now I'll tell you a little bit of more information about Papilio demoleus. Okay, during their caterpillar, during their larval stage, what are the two main caterpillar frosts during larval stage? Does the frost give any benefits? Frost means the waist of caterpillar, the caterpillar waist, and not gonna lie, there are too many of them during my observation of their life stages. Here is the video. Okay, so caterpillar frost can bring benefits to the environment and itself, and the caterpillar itself. Yeah, the caterpillar frost can be used as their defense, their protection, nutrition, communication, mating selection, and even for the navigation. And caterpillar frost also can be used as soil conditioner for stronger and healthier plants, biofertilizer, and it also can benefit in scientific and medical research. And the second thing is, what is the importance of land butterfly in ecosystem? Okay, of course, the main role for butterfly is being a great pollinator from crops. Besides, their presence may be the indicator of a healthier environment or ecosystem. In conclusion, each life stages of an insect may contribute as an important role in the ecosystem or environment. Okay, that's all from me. Thank Thank you for your attention.